Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Maguan. The question for today is from Julio Araneta. He asks, "Hi Edric, I'm planning to buy a condo unit. If you were to help me, would I pay for your professional fee or commission? Thanks." If you are buying a property offered by the broker, you will not need to pay the broker anything. It is the seller of the property or the developer who pays the commission of licensed brokers. That is why it is always a good idea to get the services of a licensed real estate broker. Because brokers like me will be able to help you step by step through the whole process and handle all the paperwork and due diligence, not only for your convenience, but also to avoid any costly mistakes. However, if you already purchased a property and you would want additional professional advice and due diligence, you can employ the services of a broker for a fee. Specific to me, I also give consultation to potential investors for free. This is to help you create an investment strategy and get a property that best aligns with your own goals and that maximizes your earning potential. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.